One night, one decision, and a lifetime of sins wiped out. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this is a true and powerful story. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Today, I am going to share a story that will change the way you think about sin and mercy. There was a man among the children of Israel. His name was Kifl. He was not a good man. In fact, he was known for committing sins, especially immorality. There was hardly any sin he didn't do. One day, a poor woman came to him. She was in desperate need of money. She had no other option. Kifl looked at her and said, I will give you money, but you must do something wrong with me. The woman, because of her situation, agreed. But when they were about to commit the sin, suddenly she started shaking. Her body trembled and tears began to fall from her eyes. Kifl was confused. He asked, Why are you crying? She replied with a broken voice, I have never done this before, but today my situation forced me, and I am afraid of Allah. Friends, these words hit Kifl's heart like a lightning. For the first time in his life, he felt something different. He stepped back and said, If you fear Allah, then I have more right to fear Him. At that very moment, he stopped. He didn't touch her. Instead, he gave her the money and let her go. Then he made a promise, a real promise from his heart. I will never return to this sin again. That same night, Kifl passed away. The next morning, people saw something shocking written on his door. Allah has forgiven Kifl. My dear friends, this story teaches us something very powerful. No matter how far you have gone in sin, no matter how dark your past is, never lose hope. Because one sincere moment, one true repentance can change everything. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you so much.